What's up, y'all? Just got the Good Enough garage meet. It's going on. It's big. It looks great. Some sweet cars. Look forward to some great footage. This is Anthony. Anthony, you've been with us tonight. Anthony, say hello.
Hello.
There's Anthony. So we're gonna go find Joe. We found Joe. I'm here. So, on with the meet. Found Charlie.
Oh, it's great. What's up, dudes?
How did I lose my group?
Walking.
Found Austin. That was easy. What up?
I was gonna park up front where my side was.
Yeah, what about that?
Yeah, just stock. I got into
Look.
rolled on them hard, bro.
What's up with that, man?
Rolled on them hard, bro.
Would you guys actually 40 roll?
Oh, we did a 30. And we did it all at the line, too. Smoke.
The only thing
I bet he is salty. That's like an extra 20 grand right
the
there.
only thing he's got is a blow-off valve and a exhaust.
I wish I had a tune.
I mean, stock
If I had a
tune
tune on it.
is still mean on MSTs, dude.
Where are you at?
It's like 13 pounds of boost or something.
Yeah, I think it's like 16.
Yeah. Well, what year is this? 2016? 18? Dope.
Come all the
Got the MR2 over there.
Yeah. Go check it out.
It's dope. It is what it is. For 32 years, you know. Think about that before you see it. 32 years Ohio. Yeah, why didn't you have the clutch in that yet? What's up with the clutch, dude?
I would have really made him bunker.
Got the 12 right behind my head in there.
You know what you're missing?
I'm missing a couple hands in my engine bay. That's what I'm missing.
Right here, and a turbo right there.
Oh yeah.
And a 4-digit number.
On a stock and a stock 4AG.
Hey, Boosted Boys does.
Nah, that's a K swap, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. K swap soon on another chassis. Austin's ODM1. You can tell by the Slammed Enough sticker covering that hole in the bumper.
I thought he was gonna leave.
Nah, there's a spot right there.
Where at?
Right there. The open spot.
Back here. Back in right there. Damn. Park in front of this truck. Or you can back in right there if you want, but they're standing there. I don't want to interrupt them.
Yeah, you ain't gotta move them. No, he started.
I didn't want to interrupt him anyway.
Smoking, baby, smoking. Yeah, oh yeah, it's the ring. It's the rings, isn't it?
Before and after.
For sure.
Yeah, we're about to, and there's T.
Where's you driving now?
I didn't drive mine today, but I got a boosted test.
You fixed the clutch yet or no?
No. Why do you think he didn't drive it?
I got one sitting in my garage though.
D89, DC2.
It's a
GSR,
I
right?
think. It's a GSR. It's a 4-door.
I can't believe you already blew the clutch in it, bro. Was it already slipping or like did you just
front mount
completely
boost.
fuck
It's an eBay. It's a cheap. The dude before me, it's a cheap eBay clutch. It's a $100 eBay clutch.
I told him to throw stage 2 in there.
I just bought a comp stage 3.
For real? I thought you went stage 2.
No, it's got a stage 3 already in it, so I was just.
Yeah, it might
Stage 3
as well.
eBay clutch for $100?
Huh?
Stage 3 eBay clutch for $100?
Oh, dang.
That's what was in it.
God damn.
I'll go buy another one.
No, I didn't put that back.
You can put like a stage 2 or 3.
I put a stage 3 comp in it. Well, right, it's not in it yet. It's sitting in my room waiting to be put in.
For no reason.
Fucking sit there.
It's just sitting there. Put it in.
Dude, I washed my car today and somehow I already got bullet burns.
I want to walk this way, actually.
I want to walk this way.
You know what?
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Flash body. It's clean, bro. 5 speed. little Turbski from Mount Turbski.
The bum face.
300 is the Aristo, the LS was called the Celsior and everything, so they're different names. So this is just the equivalent of a GS 300 in the States,
Okay.
but yeah, it's got the Aristo badges on the back.
Dope, dude. I fuck with Toyotas, dude. Toyotas. I'm gonna have to bleep out both of those. I really like Toyotas, is what I'm saying. So we're out here. Looks like we're walking up on an EG. A line of Subarus over here. A Rhino line EG. Custom interior there. On the F1Rs, my bad. All kinds of heat reduction done. You see it's melted through a little bit of it there. What paint is that? Leave it in the comments. Let me know. So we just found an R35. What in the world? When is the GT?
GT40.
Yeah.
See the racing one around front?
No, I didn't.
As soon as you come over the hill, the first parking on the left,
Okay.
actually a real
Oh, on
racing
the other
car.
side of the
Yeah,
building
yeah,
here?
right, yeah.
Got a little MR2 Spider over here. Should have parked next to it. So that's an early 2000s MR. Except these things were known for catching on fire. They have a really bad habit of spontaneously combusting. Little 10-second car here. This is the same Supra that they used in the Fast and Furious series, yeah.
It's not the right color, so it's not gonna go fast.
Right. That's like 15 horsepower right there. The orange pinstripes and bright green.
Damn.
Yeah, it's a very clean Supra. Even older. say this is 70s, 80s. She's been beat on. What up, Charles? How are you doing? You just getting here? What's up, guys? My battery's about to die, but I saw a dope 911. I wanted you guys to see it.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Street still. I've been fighting battles up a steep hill. They gave my road dog 12, it was a sweet deal. And I've been riding solo trying to rebuild. I was riding around in the G40 with the racks in the middle.
My camera battery died about halfway through. I'm gonna try and get some of the videos off of my phone, but I've also never done that before. Got DMX bumping. With Anthony real quick. He's about to head out and we're about to go home, so. What was your favorite car?
I like the Skyline.
The gray and the silver
Just
one?
because,
Yeah, that was
it's
dope.
so rare.
But of course the trucks always show out. Like, trucks always just take the burnout cake.
Yeah.
They got no weight in the rear end and rear wheel drive. I don't know what my favorite car was, honestly. Maybe the GT40, the Neochrome Maseratis.
They're clean.
They were dope.
And the bikes are nice.
Oh yeah.
Almost every one.
It's not a Boss Suzuki, but it's still dope. I mean, they'll sit there and full open throttle, rev limiter. Bow, 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 bow. Alrighty. So that's that, and we gotta swap back to the Rabbit because tonight calls for rain. That's no good. What's up, guys? So as you can see, we are back in the Rabbit. And what that means is we're getting food and we're calling it a night. My thing about it is I don't want that to be the last one. And this comes from the heart. They were talking about being done for the summer. And well, that being done isn't on my agenda, okay? So like, as long as there's fuel in my tank and electricity in my camera, I will be bringing you guys as much footage as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna go probably to, what time is it? I'm going to Taco Bell. And yeah, from there on, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, be safe.